Alright guys, so I'm about to get in the canoe. This is my mom. She's going to take over from now and she's going to film me. Alright, so Mom, I need you to hold the camera like this. And I need you to angle it towards me. It's already recording.
Okay, and when I want to stop it, where I stop it?
When you stop it, you're going to do... Alright, so I'm getting on. It's the life jacket. Okay, to stop it, you see the red button in the middle? Here, hold this, Mom. Hold all this. The red button in the middle, and don't put down the camera either on the stand. You have to face it and angle it. Alright guys, so I'm about to get in the water. I am excited. I cannot wait. Mom, I'll tell you when to stop it. You are to focus the camera on me the whole time though, because I know that you don't know how to use it.
This is our canoe, and this is the paddle. Take the paddle. Miriam.
Film me, Mama. Hold the camera and film me.
Okay,
Right,
here you go.
Again, guys. It stopped filming. Let me see. Oh no, it's still. Okay.
Yeah.
Alright, so I'm getting in. Ah! This is crazy! Whoa! Alrighty. Alright, I need you to push me, Mom. Hold the camera and push. And angle it towards me. Don't drop the camera. Don't drop the camera, Mom. Please don't drop the camera. Alrighty.
Yell.
Alright.
Don't go far.
I'm not gonna go far, but I need you to. Alrighty, so I am now going to canoe. Oh look, I'm moving! Mom, come follow me. Imshi
I am following you.
Imshi. Imshi ma camera, تعالي. How am I doing?
You're doing okay.
Guys, this is my first time! Woohoo! Mom, focus the camera here. Look guys, I'm canoeing for the first time. I'm doing a better job. Woo! Mom, move with the camera. Come follow me.
I am following you.
Move, like the alley. Wherever I go, you go.
Does it record the voices?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's awesome.
Alright, ready? This thing is like so weird with steering.
Don't paddle backward.
I don't know how to paddle forward.
Then don't go far, Miriam. Come back. Miriam.
I'm coming. Woo! Alright, let me see if I can go forward. This is so strange. Mom, come closer. I'm canoeing. Mom, come closer.
Uh-huh.
Alright, now I'm stuck in water.
Yes, you keep doing this.
Alright, let's see where I go. Mom, look at me, film me.
I am.
I'm gonna get you guys! Rob, in my canoe. I'm coming to get you.
Now try to be a straight walk.
Woo-hoo! I'm standing still. Alright, now look. I can paddle backwards, Mom. It's actually really easy. It's not that difficult. How do you think I'm doing? Good?
Okay.
So guys, you're watching me and I'm canoeing for the first time, or kayaking, but it's kind of a lot of fun. I'm going backwards. Go forward. As you can see, I'm doing this. Woohoo! Hasta la vista!
Okay.
Mom, keep filming. I'm coming back.
Okay. Forward, forward.
I'm coming back, okay? Ooh. Woo. Woo. Oh my God, you need a lot of muscle for this. You need a lot of muscle. Ah! I'm canoeing! Woohoo! Woohoo! Yeah! Oh yeah! I'm canoeing. Woohoo! Alright, now let's make a U-turn. Ready? I'm making a U-turn. And my arms hurt. Holy, holy, holy moly. Woo! I'm tired. Mom, get in the water. I can come closer. Am I doing a good job?
Yeah.
Alright, I'm coming to see. Woohoo, guys! Look, I'm canoeing like a pro. Woohoo!
Oh. Okay.
Keep filming. Hold on. That was so much fun, but now my booty's wet. And I didn't need my life jacket because I did an awesome job. What do you guys think? I think I did good.
Okay.
Woohoo! Alright guys, so I'm glad you stuck by to watch this canoe. We had a lot of fun. Mom, did you have fun? Did you have fun? I got it. Did you have fun?
Okay, we did have fun.
You did? So did I, and I learned now how to canoe a little bit. Or kayak. I don't know. You know what? Why don't you guys tell me what you think I did? A canoe or a kayak? I don't even know. To me, it's the same. But I'm glad you stuck around and watched. And I had fun. XO, guys.